Hello students, we will see the sixth numerical. The resistance of the windings of a motor at room temperature 32 degrees centigrade and at full load under steady state conditions is given by 86 ohms and 100 ohms respectively. That is, when the motor is there and its resistance at room temperature, which the room temperature is 35 degrees, is 86 ohms and its resistance at full load is 100 ohms. The windings are made of copper with a temperature T degrees centigrade is given by RTP is equal to R naught in bracket 1 plus 0.004 into T bracket close. If R naught is a resistance at 0 degrees centigrade, find the temperature of coil at full load. So here the relationship is given RTP is equal to R naught in bracket 1 plus 0.004 into T. Okay, and he has given the room temperature 30 degrees centigrade, the resistance is 86 ohm, and second at full load the temperature is not given but the resistance is given as 100 ohms. Now the question asks that you need to find out the temperature of the coil at full load. So again a very simple and straightforward question it is. The resistance RTP is given by relationship RTP is equal to R naught in bracket 1 plus 0.004 RT into T bracket close, where R naught is the resistance at 0 degrees centigrade. Okay, so we know that the given values are room temperature is 32 degrees centigrade and the resistance at that temperature is 86 ohms. So substituting these two values 32 degrees centigrade temperature and resistance at 86 ohms in the above relationship, we get 86 is equal to R naught in bracket 1 plus 0.004 into 32. So simplifying R naught we get is 86 divided by 1.128 or R naught is equal to 76.24 ohms. So the resistance at 0 degrees centigrade R naught is 76.24 ohms now. So what is at full load conditions? So again at full load condition we will use the same relationship RTP is equal to R naught in bracket 1 plus 0.004 T. Here we have to find out the R naught is given, that is R naught is found out as 176.24 ohms. Okay. So the resistance is given at full load as 100 ohms. So substituting these two values of RTP and R naught in the equation, we will get 100 is equal to 76.24 in bracket 1 plus 0.004 into T. So here we have to find T. 100 divided by 76.24 is equal to 1 plus 0.004 T. Okay. So 100 divided by 76.24 is equal to 1 plus 0.004 T, or 1.131 minus 1 is equal to 0.004 into T, or on simplification T is temperature is equal to 77.9 degrees centigrade. Means at full load when the motor resistance is 100 ohms, the temperature of the coil is 77.9 degrees centigrade. Okay, you can see the simple I have in the left, you can see just one small sketch I have made. Just you can see that left side I have put the degree centigrade. So 0 degrees centigrade, the resistance is 76 ohms he has given. Okay, this we have calculated. At 0 it is 76 ohms. But at 32 degrees centigrade he has given it as 86 ohms. Okay, he has asked at 100 ohms when the resistance 100 ohms, what this temperature, and we have calculated that as 77. So that looks linear, you can see na. both on the either side, left side as well as right side, the values are increasing. So this is okay, right? So please understand, whenever you solve some problems, you can make out like this one sketch, and left and right side you can put the value so that you can understand the relationship. Thank you.